Belong to the heartland with the slave road trip. Turkmenistan rich history, a legacy that's alive. Caspian Sea on my left, Sözleri on my right. Magtymguly's wisdom shines, guidance like light. Emphasis where it's at, the beach stretch far, fogs from around. Take note what it's worth the trip. Gonna send St. Pain skis in red. Turkmenistan, a place can't get it out my head. Turkmenistan is the land of dreams, where the horses run free and the captions gleam, with the carpet so grand like a work of art. Turkmenistan, you forever in my heart. You forever in my heart, hola, hey, checking out the Nisa, it's your vibes, it's the truth. Augustin Hansel Yokes, that's the heritage roots. The rooms tell a story of an age long ago, but the spirit of the people keeps marching on. Murph and Canurgan, they got history deep, and second on the list. Yeah, that's where we keep the tales of the past, what we do pride. Turkmenistan, history can't be denied. Turkmenistan is the land of dreams, where the Ilabai guard and the Ilçihanasynyň gleam, where the dun so high and the captions breeze. Turkmenistan is the place to put your mind at ease. To put your mind at ease, crossing through the desert, feeling like a king. Crew's got a vibe, it's a different kind of swing. People in harmony, friendship, what they know. From Ashgabat to Kondak, see the country grow. The white marble towers reaching to the sky. Got the largest carpet, yeah, it's gender certified. The design tells culture that's strong, not troll. Turkmenistan, where I love to belong. Turkmenistan is the land of dreams, where the horses run free and the caption gleams, where the carpet's so ground like a work of art. Turkmenistan, you're forever in my heart, what? You're forever in my heart, yeah, yeah. You're forever in my heart, yeah, yeah, So let's raise a glass to the land that we love. Turkmenistan from desert to above, with the Ilabai by my side and the Akaltik is tried. This is a friendship country where dreams come alive. Turkmenistan, yeah, it's where I will abide, hold up.